What we have here are four Papaiz CR35 padlocks. They're 5-pin and they have spool pins in them. Nothing super difficult about picking them. Let's see if I can get my camera turned around here about this way and see if it'll focus. Okay, here we go. I'm just going to use top of the keyway tension, go in and find the first binding pin, and there it was. And as soon as I find it and hit it, you can see I get a little bit of a false set. I believe the rest of them are all spools, and it's going to take me a little longer this way because I'm picking around my camera. But if you can see the counter rotation in the set, go to the next pin. I keep slipping off. And there it is, picked. There's the bitting on that one. Kind of a tough bitting. So I got these all as a lot on eBay, and if you see them on there, pick you up a set. If you're looking to learn spool pins, focus. There we go. There's the bitting for the next one. Just go ahead and do them all. Why not? Focus camera. There we go. See where 1, 2, 3, 4. And it seems like the standard pin is they're in different positions. Not with, like, say, a Brinks where you know exactly where the standard driver is going to be every time. These are all a little different. I didn't do something right there. This was being bad. It's beating me. Finally, there it is. That Number 5 was kind of tough to get to, being a spool and all. That's where I was having my problem. Okay, number 3. See where the standard driver is here. I got a fly I'm going to have to kill here. It's driving me nuts. There's that one. And number 4. The bidding. So a lot more fun than a master padlock. Like I said, if you see these on eBay, I'm sure he's got more. There was a bunch of lots of them, I believe. Oh, my hand's about to give up. Almost there. Ah, come on. There. Hand's killing me now. All right, so that was the last one. So that's all 4 of the Papaiz. So they're all 5-pin locks. They've got 4 spools per lock, I believe. And just as they're a lot smaller than I thought they were. Said here's a Peterson. It's a small padlock, but like I said, they're fun to pick. 5-pin Papaiz. Thanks for watching.